Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Volkswagen Atlas key fob. This simple process allows you to replace a dead battery quickly and efficiently, saving you a trip to the dealership. You'll learn each step, from removing the emergency key to reassembling the fob, ensuring your key works perfectly. This easy method requires minimal tools and just a few minutes of your time. The first step is to remove the emergency key from your key fob. Look for a small button on the side of the fob, press and hold it. While holding the button, slide out the metal key blade. This emergency key is not only for manual entry, but also serves as a handy tool for the next step in opening the fob's casing. Keep it nearby, as you will need it in just a moment. Now, take the emergency key and insert its tip into the slot where it was just removed, but only about halfway. Gently pry upwards to create a small gap, allowing the back cover to pop up slightly. You can also use a small flathead screwdriver, perhaps wrapped in tape to prevent scratches, to carefully widen the seam and fully separate the two halves of the key fob. With the key fob open, you will see the round battery. Most Volkswagen Atlas key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Carefully remove the old battery, noting that the positive side, marked with a plus sign, typically faces up. Insert your new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing upward. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they snap shut. Then slide the emergency key back into its slot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.